Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this tutorial, we are going to guide you through the process of checking for negative stock in Logic ERP. We'll guide you on how to utilize this feature to keep your inventory accurate and up to date. So let's get started. Firstly, head to the sale voucher configuration and select the appropriate billing series. Here, we have enabled the check for negative stock option. Let's now review how this feature functions during the billing process. As you remember, we have enabled a check for negative stock in billing. As a result, when the quantity entered exceeds the available stock for that item, the system will prompt the user with the message "Insufficient stock." Let's explore how this feature functions when the option is disabled. You can conveniently disable the setting directly from the sales bill form. Simply navigate to Configuration and uncheck the Check for Negative Stock option. Here you can observe after disabling the option, the software permits entering the sale voucher even when there is negative stock. This is how this feature works in Logic ERP.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.